Hello all, my name is Miss Shubhangi Patil, working as Assistant Professor at DYPIMR, Akurdi, Pune, at Chemical Engineering Department. My subject is pre-combustion coal cleaning. It is a process which I have proposed as a small solution towards environment and sustainability. In week 1, I have prepared one short video on clean coal technology in which I have explained what are the steps which we can use in a clean coal technology to reduce greenhouse gas emission and to reduce air pollution? Now, in that clean coal technology, first step is pre-combustion coal cleaning, which is today's topic. So, now as we know, coal it is a primary fuel for power generation and domestic heating. Direct combustion of raw coal in the electric furnace of power plant, it yields flue gases containing sulfur dioxide, which is SOx, nitrogen dioxide, NOx, and other toxic metals. Now these metals are primarily derived from impurities in the coal feed, which include sulfur, nitrogen, and ash. Most toxic elements are associated with ash forming materials in coal. These contaminants may be significantly reduced by various cleaning processes before combustion of coal. It was estimated that at least 50% of world coal production was cleaned in some manner before use. Next, the coal in the pre-combustion coal cleaning is to produce a product which contain low sulfur and ash with high heating value and also at a low cost. Now, physical coal cleaning is the lowest in cost among all coal cleaning techniques. But this physical coal cleaning, which is generally a conventional coal cleaning, it depends on size and density differences. Now, in the typical modern coal preparation plants, the coal it is subjected to these following three steps. First is size reduction and screening. So generally size reduction is usually accomplished in rotary or roll crushers. The next step is separation of impurities, because when it is this coal is reduced in size, the impurities are liberated when the coal is reduced in size, and the coal is screened. It is screened either wet or dry to separate various size fractions. And last step is dewatering or drying. So these are the steps which are used for the preparation of coal before combustion. Now in recent year, there is a significant advances have taken place in the coal processing technologies. Now it is found that a greater sulfur reduction can be achieved by applying physical coal cleaning to a finer size coal instead of applying the clean coal technology to a bigger size coal. It is efficient to apply the clean cleaning process for a finer size coal. So in recent years, following processes are used for pre-combustion cleaning of the coal. Those are fine coal flotation, reverse flotation, oil flotation, agglomeration based fine coal cleaning, dry coal cleaning, chemical and biological coal cleaning. Now the conclusion. Now, the primary goal in the pre-combustion coal cleaning is to produce a product low in sulfur and ash with a high heating value, recovery, and also at a low cost. But physical coal cleaning is lowest in cost among all cleaning techniques. But unfortunately, a conventional physical coal cleaning it cannot remove sufficient amount of sulfur from many high sulfur bituminous coal to meet environmental restrictions. That's why a greater emphasis on deep cleaning technology, including chemical and biological coal cleaning techniques is required to develop processes for removing the fine pyritic and organic sulfur. So that's why in the future, a combined use of physical cleaning with chemical or biological processes in a coal cleaning plant to trim sulfur emission to the desired level is anticipated. Thank you.